up mga quiz mga atis? Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Quiz Alan at ngayong araw papanoorin natin yung compilation video nung performance ni Alexi May sa Miss Eco International kung saan nanalo siya ng napanalunan niya yung title. So hindi ko na ito patatakalin pa. Papanoorin natin yung video at later ibibigay ko yung reaction at opinion ko on the said performance of Alexi May Brooks. So let's go!
Alexi May Kaimoso Group, Miss Eco, Philippines!
Brace yourselves. Miss Eco Philippines storms onto the stage as
Ganda
Mangayon
ng kwan niya.
in her national costume. This stunning tribute to the Philippine Eagle radiates resilience and freedom. Golden hue sparkles with royal elegance, honoring the Eagle's majestic power.
Huwag kung mabigat yung ganyan, dala-dala. Hindi siya masyadong nakatayo ng straight.
The dense forest of the eagle's fragile habitat. This costume mourns the eagle's tragic loss while igniting hope for conservation. Miss Philippines and eco-athlete channels this strength through her Amas Mabaya advocacy. Her work for women's empowerment and
Sobrang dami ng gold
mirrors
doon sa
the
mukha.
eagle's
Yung
soaring
ulo ng
journey.
eagle. Hindi mo yun napansin yung mukha ng eagle. Honestly, hindi siya masyadong na-highlight yung mukha ng Philippine eagle. Pero it's very, very good. Maganda. Sabi siya nakapikit. Oh, Thailand, Philippines na. Siguro makasabay sila. Siguro top 10 na to. Parang top 10. Walang music. Walang background music. Maganda yung damit niya, honestly. Gold. From sa national costume, tapos dito, gold. Sobrang feminine na yan dito. Ayan.
Miss Eco, Philippines.
Q&A ng top 10.
Your topic is fashion that cares for the future.
Good evening, everyone. When we talk about the world we're living in right now, it is such a fast-paced world that we want convenience in a lot of things, especially when it comes to fashion. But we need to understand that fashion is not only about glamour or about luxury. It's about thinking about our environment and our contribution towards environment. In the end of the day, if we want to protect our nature and our environment, we need to stay sustainable, especially in fashion. Thank you so much.
Okay lang. Okay.
Short, straight to the point. I like it. Philippines.
Top 6, I think.
Imagine the world in 2050. Wow, that's scary just to think about. Imagine the world in 2050. What's one thing you hope has changed and why?
You know, if you want me to be realistic, climate change is impacting our world right now. And the only thing that we can do is to act towards it. Brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, we have the same mother, even if we came from different nations. And we in here are brothers and sisters right now. And our mother is asking for our help. So we must save our planet Earth and we must take care of our Mother Earth. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Philippines. The winner of Miss Eco International and Miss Eco International 2025 is the Philippines! Miss Eco International 2025. And congratulations, Indonesia, our first runner-up.
Ang mga fans, grabe. Kakay niya. Fans din nakakaya.
Thank you so much, everyone, and have a great night.
Kita yung napanood natin yung all performance ni Alexi May Brooks from sa umpisa, sa introduction up to the coronation, diba? So, ang galing. So, nagustuhan ko yung national costume niya, gold, pero I think parang may malfunction to sa parting wings, hindi gumagalaw, kaya kinaganyan-ganyan na niya diba? And medyo isa pang tulad na sinabi ko kanina yung sa mukha, hindi masyado na-emphasize yung mukha ng Aguila kasi it's all gold, so parang hindi siya pansinin. Napansin ko lang yung mukha ng eagle na nag-side view siya, pag nung squad, parang hindi na-emphasize masyado. Now to sa gown, I like the gown, nag-fit sa katawan niya, sumexy siya, honestly. And napansin ko to sa performance niya, very feminine compared to sa performance niya sa MUPH. Actually, sa MUPH, siya yun sa mga bet ko na makakapasok ng top 5, 6 noon, diba? Kaso, I was disappointed, especially yung parting rampa niya. That time, sobrang, maganda na rampa niya, pero medyo astigin ang dating niya. Diba? May paka-masculine. Unlike here, ang galing, ang ganda, very feminine yung move niya. And that is thank you for the training na binigay ni CJ Obiasa, di ba? So, ang galing yung performance niya rito. Even though hindi siya masyado nakapaglakad, napansin ko, medyo hindi siya yung talagang mahabang lakad. And napansin ko rin wala rin yung swimsuit, so sana na-highlight rin dun sana yung husay ng paglakad ni Alexi, di ba? Yun naman na pag-aralan niya kay CJ, so yun, wala. Sa Q&A, sa top 6, top 10, sa top 6, well, hindi ako ganun kaso. Okay, nasa ko kahit pa paano yun sa top 10. Pero sa top 6, medyo naguluhan ako. Pero again, sa beauty pageant to ang pagkakaintindi ko, hindi naman kailangan yung masakot mo ng tama yun It's more on yung tawag nito, yung parang it sounded good para sa mga judges, diba? So, pinakinggan nila kasi very confident naman si Alexi May. Di ba nakita naman natin sa top 10, sa top 6 Q&A. Very confident naman siya. Well, parang hindi mo nakikita ang nervous. So, kahit hindi ka nung 100% na magaling yung sagot niya, lumabas na very confident siya doon sa sagot niya. Diba? Kahit hindi naman ka nung ka-okay. So, yun. So, she is the second Filipina to bring home third title for the Philippines. So, inumpusahan ni Dia Mate ito sa Reina Hispano-Americana, and this one, the second one. And this is the third title ng Philippines sa Miss Eco International na napanalo na ni Cynthia Tumaya sa ni Kathleen Patton. And she is also the first black winner ng Miss Eco International. So, even though hindi siya from the African country, pero she is the first ever na yung dark skin na nanalo ng title. So yun. So congrats. So lahat. Congrats kay Alexi. So ako honestly medyo nag-doubt ako nung umpisa nung nabigay sa kanya yung title na to. Kasi well, hindi kasi ganun ka-popular ang mga black to sa Miss Eco. So, I doubt that na makuha yung title. No, posible makapasok, pero yung to win the title is possible. So, but still, I congrats her. Kasi hanga pa rin naman ako sa kanya and magaling siya, diba? So, yun. So, there you go. There you go. So, yun yung opinion ko sa performance ni Alexi May, and I hope nagustuhan niyo rin. And kung meron kayong mga comments, may against kayo sa mga sinabi ko, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba and I will read all your comments and I will try to interact with you guys. So thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye-bye. Happy Easter Sunday to you.